To make the paper airplane, you need a piece of US letter size paper. If you don't have US letter size paper, use A4 paper. If you use A4 paper, just trim it down a little bit. Okay, now let me show you guys step by step how to make the plane. First step, let's fold the paper in half this way. Okay. Make sure that all edges are lined up. Let me turn the paper over and fix this. So once if it's not aligned, we just need to adjust it. Very simple. Now it's looked very good, guys. So all edges are lined up. Nice. On the following step, let's do it this way. I will start from this up edge. I fold it to the other side. Okay. Press out the paper. Have one crease. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Start from this up edge for to this side. Okay. And press down the paper as well. Adjust it just a little bit, and then you will have amazing paper airplane. Let's adjust it. Yeah, if it's not right, put up a little bit more. Okay, here we go. So this is what we have, guys. This is a piece of paper. We have all the creases that we need, so I flatten it down. Okay, when you fill the paper, you can fill the creases as well. That's the nice thing about using US letter size paper. Regular printing paper is perfect. Now on the following step, I will start from this this tip here. I fold straight to, you can see the edge up here. Let me turn the paper this way. We have a crease, the intersection point. We have the upper edge, so for this edge there, and press down the paper. Okay, perfect. Now let's turn the paper over and place this way. On the following step, let's start from this up edge for to the other side. Okay. Press down the paper. Okay. When you fold like that, this piece of the paper is moving, so hold it on this side, and then fold this part of the paper here and adjust it slowly, especially on the tip here. So make sure that the tip stay correctly, and then you can push and press it. Here we go. So I just finished this side of the paper. Then unfold the paper. Now repeat the same fold for the opposite side. So start from this up edge for that. Press down the paper, adjust it. Alright, so this is what I have. I unfold the paper and look at this. Okay, now let's flip the paper over and start from this upper edge. For straight down, you can see the intersection here. Use this as a reference for it down. We have so many creases now, be careful. Okay, so we just finished the crease. On the following step, let's do it this way. Start from I can turn the paper over and I fold this crease to the center crease. Okay, hope you can see it on your side. You can fold the paper this way and then press this down. Okay, So this is what we have for now. I can pull this one out as well. Now I can pull this part of the paper out. Okay, that is fine, and I can pull this backward. So this is what you will have. Okay. Now on this part of the paper, let's fold it down. Okay. Next step, I will start from this piece, this edge. I'll fold it out to the tip up here. Same thing. I do it the same way for this size. Look at this, guys. We have a very cool head of the plane already, right? This look amazing. Okay. Now this is what we have, and this is not the end of the plan. The end of the end. It is not. It's almost finished the plan. So let's do it this way. So on this side, I'll fold down. Okay. Before I do this, let's do it this way. Okay, let me flatten the paper down and then fold this side of the paper blend out so I can press this. So press it down like this. Here we go. And repeat the same for the other side too. Adjust this. Okay. Adjust it. Don't break your plan, okay? You may break it. So we adjust on this side too. Hold this here. Okay, so I just finished the head of the plane, and this is what we have, guys. It looks very cool, right? On the head of the plane here is popping up, so we need to adjust it. Simply just fold down this way. You can fold down this way. Okay, if you like to have like a big head, so I just fold like this. Okay, same thing for this side. Just fold down. Or if you're going to adjust, you can adjust it a little bit. Like you can fold this way. I think this will look nice like this. Okay. If you want, we can do it this way too. I'll show you options so you can adjust it in many ways. So I just for this one inward, and you have the head of the plane like this. Same thing for this side. Okay, so we have the plane look like this. Okay, you can adjust the papers too. Now let's fold the paper in half. For this side, the same thing. I will adjust it before I make the wings. So I press this in, and this look awesome. Okay, now let's start from this upper edge. Let's fold down. Just fold straight down like this. Okay, do the same step for the opposite side. Okay, guys. So you will have a plane look like this. Nice, right? Just adjust the head a little bit more. Here we go. So this is how the plane will look like. At the ends of the wings, let's force up to create the stabilizer. Same thing for the opposite side. Okay. Here you go, guys. This is the new paper airplane. I hope you guys enjoyed making this new awesome paper airplane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.